Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to Plus 2 Physics class. Today we are going to discuss a new topic, the human eye. Okay, in this topic we are going to discuss the structure of a human eye and what are the main parts of the human eye and its functions. Okay, after that we are going to discuss what are the defects of human eye and how to correct these defects. Okay, this is the topic today we are going to discuss. Okay, now we are going to discuss the structure of the eye and the parts of the eye and its functions. Okay, the main parts of a human eye are the first one cornea, then iris, pupil, ciliary muscles, crystalline lens, retina, optical nerves, etc. Okay, what are the main parts of the human eye? Cornea, iris, pupil, ciliary muscles, crystalline lens, and retina, and optical nerves or optic nerves, etc. These are the main parts of the human eye. And next we are going to discuss what are the functions of these parts of human eye. The first one, crystalline lens, that is lens. And this is composed of a fibrous jelly proteinous like material, and it is converging in nature, and the focus the incoming light rays from the object on the retina. Okay, the main function of this crystalline lens is focuses the incoming light rays from the object on the retina. Okay, these are the characteristics or functions of crystalline lens, and this is a convex lens. Okay, this crystalline lens or our eye lens is a convex lens, that is a converging lens. Okay, and the second one is cornea. Okay, a cornea, a thin membrane covering the surface of eyeball. Okay, surface of eyeball through which light enter into the eye. Okay, through which light enter into the eye, and it act as a primary lens. Okay, this cornea is act as a primary lens. Okay, and third one, iris. Iris is a dark muscular diaphragm located just behind the cornea. Okay, it is a dark muscular diaphragm. Okay, diaphragm is a covering. Okay, muscular diaphragm located just behind the cornea. Okay, and it controls the size of the pupil. Okay, it controls the size of the pupil. Okay, then next one is pupil. A pupil, a black opening between the aqueous humor and the eye lens. Okay, in figure you see the aqueous humor. Okay, here a black opening between the aqueous humor and the eye lens. Okay, this is a pupil. It regulates and control the amount of light entering the eyes. Okay, it control the light entering the eye or regulates. Okay, regulate and controls the amount of light entering the eye. Okay, this is the function of a pupil. Then ciliary muscles. Ciliary muscles is a modify the curvature or it modify the curvature and focus of the eye lens. Okay, focus of the eye lens and hold the eye lens in position. Okay, hold the eye lens in position. Okay, what are the functions? One is modify the curvature and focus of the eye lens, and it hold the eye lens in position. Okay, then next one is retina. Okay, retina is a delicate membrane having enormous number of light sensitive cells. Okay, that is a delicate membrane. It is a delicate membrane having enormous number of light sensitive cells, and it acts like a screen. Okay, it acts like a screen, and a real inverted and diminished image is formed by the eye lens on it. Okay, a real inverted and diminished image is formed by the eye lens on it. Okay, this is the function of a retina. Okay, these are the main important parts. And one more thing, the optic nerves. Okay, these optic nerves will pass a message to brain, that is this image impulse. Okay, image formed in a impulse that send a message, or these optic nerves are send a message or impulse to the brain, and in brain the image is get a erect image. Okay, we get a erect image. Clear? Okay, and the next one is aqueous humor. This aqueous humor, it provides power to cornea. Okay, this aqueous humor, it provide the power to corona. Okay, and the next one is vitreous humor. This vitreous humor filled between eye lens and retina. Okay, this vitreous humor filled between eye lens and retina, and keep retina in place by pressing it against the choroid. Okay, against the choroid, that is keep retina in place by pressing it again, okay, against the choroid. Okay, and these are the main parts of the human eye. Okay, I hope you all are understand these parts or structure of the human eye. Okay, next we are going to discuss the topic, the defects of vision. Okay, next we are going to discuss the topic defects of vision. Okay, before explaining this defect of vision, we want to study the important terms related to our vision. Okay, the term that important terms related to the vision are the first one is near point. Okay, near point, and the second one is far point. Okay, first one near point, and second one far point, and third one is power of accommodation. Okay, power of accommodation. After these three terms explaining, we go to discuss the defect of visions. Okay, what is the first one? The first one is near point. Okay, near point. Near point is the nearest point. Okay, the nearest point at which the object can be seen distinctly. Okay, can be seen distinctly. That is the nearest point of vision. Okay, that is the nearest point of vision is called near point. Okay, the near point of an eye with a healthy vision is 25 centimeter. Okay, is 25 centimeter. Clear? Okay, and the second one is, far point. The far point is the farthest. Okay, it is the farthest point at which the object can, okay, the object can be seen distinctly. Okay, the far point is the farthest point, okay, farthest point at which the object can be seen distinctly. Clear? Okay, the far point of an eye with a healthy vision is at infinity. Okay, that is our longest distance vision is at infinity. Okay, at infinity. This is the near. And the next one is power of accommodation. Okay, power of accommodation. Here the power of accommodation is the ability of the eye to form an image on the retina. Okay, we have the image is formed at retina. Okay, by adjusting the focal length of the lens. Okay, by adjusting the focal length of the lens in the eye, by varying or by changing the curvature of the lens. Okay, irrespective of the position of the object is the power of accommodation. Okay, it is the power of accommodation. Okay, these are the important terms related to our vision, that is near point, far point, and power of accommodation. Okay, next we are going to discuss the topic, the defects of vision. Okay, next we are going to discuss the defect of vision. Okay, here we are going to discuss 3 defects of visions. One is hypermetropia or long sightedness or far sightedness. Okay, and the second one is myopia. Okay, myopia, it is short sightedness. Okay, it is also called short sightedness. Okay, and the third one is astigmatism. Okay, third one is astigmatism. Okay, these are the defects of vision, or here we are discussing these 3 defects of visions. Okay, and the first one, hypermetropia. Okay, hypermetropia. What is hypermetropia, or what is the defect of this vision? Okay, defects of vision of hypermetropia. Okay, the case of hypermetropia, the near object, okay, the near object cannot be seen clearly. Okay, near object cannot be seen clearly, even though the distant objects, okay, the distant object can see clearly. This defect is called hypermetropia. Okay, hypermetropia. In this case, the near point, listen, the near point of vision, or the near point of vision is more than 25 centimeter. Okay, more than 25 centimeter. Clear? And in this case, the image of the distant object is formed behind the retina. Okay, behind the retina. You see this ray diagram of this defect, that is hypermetropic eye. Ray diagram is given. In this diagram, we see the image is formed behind the retina. Okay, behind the retina. And what is the cause of this defect? Here the main cause of the defects are, one is the focal length of the eye lens is increasing. Okay, increasing the focal length of the eye. And the second one is the eyeball size is reducing or decreasing. Okay, the eyeball size is decreasing. Okay, these are the causes of this defect. Okay, and how to correct this defect? Okay, by using a convex lens, we correct this defect. This is the diagram for corrected eye. Okay, this defect corrected eye. Okay, clear? Okay, this is hypermetropia. Clear? Okay. Okay, next we are going to discuss the second defect, that is myopia. Okay, myopia. In this case, the nearby object can be seen clearly. Okay, nearby object can see clearly, but they may not be able to see distant object clearly. Okay, this type of defect is called what? Myopia or short sightedness or nearsightedness. Okay, that is, in this case, the near point of such a person's will not be at infinity. It will be at a definite distance from the eye. Okay, this is the ray diagram of defected eye. And the cause of this defect of vision is, first one is the focal length is decreasing. Okay, the focal length is decreasing. And the second one is the eyeball size is increasing, or the larger size of eyeball is the cause of this defect. Okay, and third one is astigmatism. Astigmatism is a common vision condition that causes blurred vision. It occurs when the cornea is irregularly shaped. That is, the shape of a cornea is spherical shape. Okay, but here that spherical shape will changed. That is irregularly shaped, or sometime because of the curvature of the lens inside the eye. Okay, inside the eye. It is an irregular shaped cornea or lens prevent light from focusing properly on the retina. Okay, as a result, visions become blurred at any distance. Okay, this is astigmatism. This is the shape, the common vision condition that causes blurred vision. Okay, astigmatism is a common vision condition that causes blurred vision. Okay, and an irregularly shaped cornea or lens prevent light from focusing properly on the retina. Okay, here how to correct this disorder? By using a cylindrical lens. We correct this astigmatism. Okay, these are the three types or three defects of visions. These are the defects of vision. Okay, I hope you all are understands today's class, that is the human eye, the structure of human eye and the defects of human eye. Okay.